If you want to see how my room turned from this to this, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And to my old subscribers, thank you. You guys are awesome. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, I'd like to have you as my subscriber. If you like what you see, just hit that subscribe button. So I showed you what my room looks like before we get started with this cleaning. And before I start cleaning my house, I always like to make sure I take off all the stuffs that are sitting where they are not supposed to sit or stay, and then I take off the mats and every other thing that is blocking my way. So in this video, we are going to be doing a deep and thorough cleaning. I'm getting my room ready for the summer. You guys know that the summer is here. After it took so long to come, it has finally arrived. So I'm trying to take off the winter sheets and all of that, and then I'm going to be making my bed with the summery bed sheets and duvets and the comforter and all of those good stuffs. So I got a few of them from Amazon, which I'm going to be trying to leave the link in the description box below in case you like them and you want to buy them. I'll try and look for the links and put them in the description box below. Also, I got this vacuum yesterday from a supermarket, and I'm trying it out in this video to see how it really works. I saw it and I loved it in the supermarket. Then I picked it up for a very cheap price. Like, guys, it was sold for 169 euros. So I thought, okay, let me go and try it out, because I've been seeing a lot of vacuums in the market here on YouTube. So many of them were sold for 400 and 500, and like, seriously, I don't have that kind of money. So I went for the one I can be able to afford, and so far so good. It's working so well. This is the dust I got from vacuuming the foam. So like I told you guys earlier in this video, I'm going to be tackling every corner of this room, from the under the bed down to the floor, everywhere. Now I fixed the one for vacuuming corners that the main vacuum head cannot really pass. And before I start, I like to pick up the big stuffs on the floor, because those ones cannot enter through the vacuum. So I like to pick them, and then I started vacuuming. So far so good. I'm loving this vacuum because it sucks so well. Like, the suction is really active. I love it so far. I just hope it lasts me for, you know, so long. So I'm going to be mopping the floor that is under the bed. As you can see, I didn't vacuum the whole of the floor. I just vacuumed under the bed because I want to fix it before I move over to the floors. I vacuumed and mopped it with my Fabulous. So you guys already know that that is my favorite floor cleaner. So I love to use that product a lot. The smell is amazing. Right now I'm mopping the back of the headboard because there are some dust there that needed to be tackled. And now it's time to dust and wipe. Whenever you are cleaning your house, any part of your house, you need to make sure that you take your time. Don't rush it. If you rush it, you might miss something and probably not get the house as clean as it should be. So I will advise you, take your time, take it gradual. Like gradually you will get there. So as I was cleaning, this is what happened. I don't even know how I feel right now. I felt so heartbroken. Anyways, let's continue with our cleaning. Have you guys cleaned for the summer? Let me know in the comment section below, or am I the only one who's cleaning late? After dusting and wiping, I felt so thirsty, so I went to drink water. It's very, very important, guys, especially now that we are in summer. Like, people will be drinking water like crazy. It's so hot this day. I don't even know why I dressed like this. Like, seriously. I was so sweating that I felt like jumping inside the shower right away. So now I'm placing back the foam protector, the fitted sheet, the flat sheet and everything. Basically, I'm going to be making the bed. I also bought new pillows from Amazon. Like I said before, I'm going to try to see if I can find the links so I can leave it in the description box below. And here is my comforter. The pillow, the pillowcase, the comforter, the duvet cover, everything I got from Amazon felt so good. Like, it felt like it has a very good quality. The quality is amazing in my own opinion. I love the quality. I love how it felt in my hands. And these ones have like a place where you can tie it in place so that it will not be dancing inside the duvet cover when you are trying to use it to cover your body. Like, this is a plus to me. The ones my kids have doesn't have this rope where you can tie it. This is the only one that has it. I was wondering, why did they give me the one that doesn't have a rope where you can tie it for my kids? You know how kids can be when they are sleeping. So I was like, Maybe the ropes should have been in their own and my own would be left just like that. But anyways, we are still going to be managing it that way. Guys, I love this duvet cover so much. It looks so beautiful, so summery, if you know what I mean. It looks so summery. And now that I'm done making the bed, I'm going to be vacuuming the carpets and the floors. So after vacuuming and everything, this is all I collected from the foam down to the floors. So far so good. I'm loving this vacuum. Like seriously, I'm loving it. And it doesn't make noise like the one I have before, my previous vacuum. That one is still very much available, but I wanted something that I don't have to be dealing with the wire all the time whenever I'm vacuuming, carrying the wire up and down. I wanted something very simple, like whenever the kids make a mess, I can easily grab it and vacuum the house. So that was why I went for this vacuum, and I'm loving it so far. Now the sound is so cool, like seriously. The sound is so cool. It doesn't make so much noise when you are sweeping. All your neighbors will know that you're sweeping. So guys, I'm done cleaning my room, and this is what my room looks like at the moment. It looks so beautiful. It looks so welcoming. It looks so simple but very beautiful. I'm not the type that likes too many stuffs all over the place. I like my house very simple and almost empty. If you've been watching me from my main channel, Fantastic Favor, you will know that I'm the type that loves a house that is almost empty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope that this video has motivated you to go get your house ready for the summer. Even if it is only one room you cleaned today, it's something. You've achieved something. So please, I urge you, I challenge you to stand up and go clean your house. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.